Ready, start. The petitioner is an incorporated company having its registered office at Bombay, carrying on business of producing and selling iron and steel. It has got an office at Ernakulam and a stockyard at Cochin in the state of Kerala for the purpose of selling the above goods. Iron and steels are essential commodities under Section 2 of the Essential Commodities Act 1955 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act. Section 3 of the Act provides that if the central government is of opinion that it is necessary or expedient so to do for maintaining or increasing supplies of any essential commodity or securing their equitable distribution and availability at fair prices, it may be by order be provide for regulating or prohibiting the production, supply, and distribution thereof, and trade and commerce therein. The section also confers power on the central government to make orders in respect of the several matters mentioned therein. Section 4 provides that an order under Section 3 may confer powers and impose duties upon the central government or the state government or officers and authorities of the central government or the state government and may contain direction as to exercise of any such powers or discharge of any such duties. Section 5 reads, the central government may be notified order direct that the power to make order under Section 3 shall in relation to such matters and subject to such condition, if any, as may be specified in the direction be exercisable also by a such officer or authority subordinate to the central government or such state government or such officer or authority subordinate to a state government as may be specified in the direction by virtue of the powers under Section 3 of the Act. The Government of India made the Iron and Steel Control Order 1956. Clause 2A of this order provides that the central government may exempt steel of one or more categories specified in the first schedule to the order, or iron or scrap of any category as may be specified from all or any of the provisions of the order, or declare that any provisions of the order shall apply to the above commodities with such modification as the government may specify in that behalf. In exercise of the powers under the above clause, the Government of India issued an order Exhibit P1 dated 29/4/1967 exempting all categories of iron and steel from the provisions contained in clause 4, 5, 15, 18, 20 and 27 of the Iron and Steel Control Order. Under Section 5 of the Act, the Government of India issued an order Exhibit P2 dated 18/6/1996 delegating the powers to make orders to provide for the matters specified in Clause D to J of subsection 2 of the Section 3 to be exercisable also by the state government in relation to all commodities other than other foods, stuff and fertilizer subject to the condition mentioned therein. Stop.